Irresistible Coffee Mallow Dessert Recipes, easy and delicious. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best recipes that'll satisfy your sweet cravings. Today, we're brewing up a storm with some delectable coffee mallow dessert recipes that are guaranteed to tickle your taste buds. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or simply love indulgent treats, these recipes are sure to become your new favorites. So, grab your mugs and let's get started. Recipe 1. Coffee Mallow Frappuccino Pie. Ingredients: 1 pre-made graham cracker pie crust, 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder, 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup mini marshmallows, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee lover. In a mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Dissolve the instant coffee powder in a teaspoon of hot water, then add it to the whipped cream along with the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract. Gently fold everything together until well combined. Next, add the mini marshmallows and fold them into the coffee mixture. Pour the coffee mallow filling into the pre-made graham cracker pie crust, spreading it out evenly. Top the pie with additional mini marshmallows and chocolate shavings for a delightful presentation. Chill the pie in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until set. Slice and serve this luscious coffee mallow frappuccino pie to impress your guests or satisfy your own sweet cravings. Recipe 2. Coffee Mallow Affogato Parfait. Ingredients: 4 cups vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1/4 cup chocolate sauce, 1/2 cup mini marshmallows, whipped cream for topping, chocolate curls for garnish. Instructions. In serving glasses or dessert bowls, layer the ingredients to create a delicious parfait. Start by adding a scoop of vanilla ice cream at the bottom of each glass. Drizzle a bit of the cooled brewed coffee over the ice cream. Add a layer of mini marshmallows and a generous drizzle of chocolate sauce on top. Repeat the layers until you reach the rim of the glass, finishing with a dollop of whipped cream. Garnish with chocolate curls for an elegant touch. Serve the Coffee Mallow Affogato Parfait immediately and let your guests dive into this delightful coffee-inspired dessert. There you have it, 2 amazing coffee mallow dessert recipes that are sure to awaken your taste buds and sweeten up your day. Whether you choose the creamy frappuccino pie or the delightful affogato parfait, these treats are perfect for any occasion or even as a special treat to enjoy with your afternoon coffee. If you loved these recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!
Celebrate Thanksgiving in style with the Thanksgiving Turkey Football. This unique football features a playful turkey design with a helmet and sunglasses, surrounded by vibrant autumn leaves. Perfect for a friendly game with family and friends, this football is sure to bring holiday cheer to your festivities.